All right. Oh no, government. Why? Why do you keep doing this so close to election time? But yep, they did it again. They moved some Bitcoin. Where do they move it to? I don't know. Are they selling it? Are they just moving to a new wallet? Let's find out. This article is coming from Cointelegraph, and the U.S. government moves 10,000 Bitcoin. The United States government is currently the largest geopolitical holder of Bitcoin, with 203,000 Bitcoin under the control of the U.S. Now it's a sinking ship for sure, but no, I guess they're calling it sinking ship Silk Road. So this must be just some cryptocurrency that they got from there. But again, Trump said he didn't want to move it or sell it. It's like we're going to keep every single thing we got, and they better. Because, again, I keep saying in multiple videos in the past, even today, it's like there's not that much supply. Like they say they want to own like 4% of it, but there's not that much in circulation. And like once it's all gone, I bet people are really going to be hodling onto it. So with them just moving it, it's just getting more out in the circulation. It's going to be harder for them to acquire, but that is also good too for us because we don't want them to have too much control of it. But no, okay, let's learn a little bit more about this and see where they're moving it to. The United States government shifted roughly 10,000 Bitcoin to a wallet address ending in the letters NOE on August 14th, 2024 at around 15:38:31 UTC time, according to data from Arkham Intelligence. Now, according to the on-chain and analytics firm, the funds were seized during the Silk Road raid and are currently valued at $593.91 million. This marks the latest high-profile transfer of the United States government's Bitcoin holdings, with the previous transfers of 29,800 Bitcoin, valued at nearly $2 billion, sent from the U.S. government's wallet to an unknown address on July 29th. Here is that transaction that took place, and this is from Arkham's intelligence source, but you can easily find this on the Bitcoin Blockchain Explorer itself. Just zoom on into it, copy the address, put it in there, and now you know that address is wallet. If you want to keep an eye on it, that's how you do it. Bitcoin's public and anybody can view it. But the U.S. government currently holds roughly 203,000 Bitcoin, valued at approximately $12 billion at the time of writing. But the United States government's largest geopolitical holder of BTC. The $12 billion in Bitcoin holdings indicates that the U.S. government is the largest geopolitical holder of the Bitcoin. Now, a theme that has been repeatedly touched on by 2024 presidential candidate Donald Trump. Trump has previously promised not to sell any of the U.S. government's Bitcoin holdings if elected, and told audiences at the Bitcoin 2024 conference in Nashville, Tennessee, that he would establish a strategic Bitcoin stockpile if he manages to secure presidency. Now, on the other occasion, the 2024 presidential candidate has hinted at using Bitcoin to pay off the government's $35 trillion national debt. Now, because of this move, there is causing fears of market dump, which I think we have seen in the price today, which is at $59,000. So yeah, we're just hovering right there. But even with the slightest indication that a large Bitcoin whale, such as the government, is about to dump vast quantities of the decentralized asset, it is enough to send markets tumbling. Earlier in July 2024, crypto markets responded negatively to the news of the German government selling its Bitcoin holdings as fear, uncertainty, and doubt gripping its investors. And that's what we call FUD. See, F in the fear, U in uncertainty, and doubt. So if you ever hear us say FUD, that's because that's what we're referring to. But the German government ended up selling 50,000 Bitcoin, valued at roughly $2.9 billion at the time, and currently still holds 0.007 Bitcoin, according to that data from Arkham Intelligence. Now, this sell-off has since become somewhat of a joke to analysts and crypto pundits, who point out that the German government just lost $124 million in profits by selling its holdings by July 13th, 2024, and not waiting for prices to rebound on higher levels. Now, it is going to be an ongoing joke for anybody who's like moving, selling their Bitcoin at these times. Like, now, like every year we always celebrate the Bitcoin Pizza Day, where the guy spent like 20,000 Bitcoin. Is that how much it was, or 12,000 Bitcoin on 2 Papa John's pizzas? Like, it's just the ongoing joke now. Like, at first it was amazing. It's like, yes, Bitcoin made it realistic, but now as we see Bitcoin's true potential going on right now, it's becoming a big joke on like oh man, why did I sell it at that time? So all these people are going to be regretting it in a couple of years. So just keep hodling and stacking those sats.